Hey there, welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing an exciting way to make money online. Affiliate marketing. If you're new to this concept, don't worry, we're going to start from scratch, and by the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of what affiliate marketing is all about. Before getting into this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. 1. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing model where a business rewards its affiliates for each customer brought in by their marketing efforts. In simpler terms, it's a commission-based referral system where the affiliate promotes a product or service to their audience, which earns a commission on every sale made through their unique affiliate link. 2. How does affiliate marketing work? Affiliate marketing works by leveraging the affiliate's existing audience to promote a product or service to potential customers. The affiliate receives a unique link or code from the merchant, which they then use to promote the product or service to their audience through various marketing channels like social media, blogs, email, or other online platforms. When a customer clicks on the affiliate's unique link and makes a purchase, the affiliate earns a commission on that sale. The commission rate varies depending on the product or service being promoted and can range from a few percent to a substantial percentage of the sale. 3. Who can become an affiliate marketer? Anyone can become an affiliate marketer, regardless of their experience or background. The only requirement is a willingness to learn and put in the effort to promote products effectively. Affiliate marketing is an excellent option for those looking to start an online business or earn some extra income. 4. How to get started with affiliate marketing. To get started with affiliate marketing, the first step is to find a suitable affiliate program that aligns with your niche or audience. Many popular affiliate programs such as Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale offers a wide range of products and services to promote. Once you've found a program, you'll need to apply and get approved as an affiliate. After approval, you'll receive a unique affiliate link or code that you can use to promote the product or service. 5. Best practices for successful affiliate marketing. To be successful with affiliate marketing, there are some best practices you need to follow. Choose products or services that align with your audience's interests and needs. Promote products or services that you have personal experience with or believe in. Use various marketing channels such as social media, email, or blogs to reach your audience. Provide value to your audience through honest and informative product reviews. Continuously monitor and analyze your marketing efforts to improve your results. In conclusion, affiliate marketing is an excellent way to earn passive income online. It's a simple, cost-effective, and accessible way to start a business or supplement your existing income. By following the best practices we've discussed in this video, you can become a successful affiliate marketer and start earning commissions on your referrals. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below.